Today we are doing something very exciting. It is October, so it's time for me to start doing some Halloween looks. Now, last year I done a skull and there was a couple other things that I done, but I didn't really do anything. Well, let's face it, this ain't an everyday look, but it's something, say your mom or your girlfriends or whatever can wear during Halloween night. I did want to make it just a little bit more wearable, even though I wouldn't recommend you wearing this every day because I do have two different color eyes. I'm so excited for Halloween and I cannot wait to show you some of my ideas that I'm coming up with. And of course I've got to do another skull this year because I absolutely love it. I just want to tweak it a little bit, make it different than the one I did last year. So if you want to find out how to get this look, just keep watching. Glow Tarts doing today. I hope everybody's well. And before we get started, for anybody that's new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. Alright guys, so I don't know if it's going to be a voiceover or I'm just going to play the tutorial and put music over it or what, but I did decide to bring y'all back outside with me. I love doing videos outside, especially during the fall. It is so beautiful out here. So today what I did, I said I wanted to do a more wearable look, even though you wouldn't really wear this out anywhere or every day or anything. So I did want to do orange in one eye, black on the other, and I did put some purple on the lower lash line. I just love Halloween colors, and I love the way this look come on. And I popped on a dark red, like a blood red lipstick with a little bit of red in the middle. So I did do a two-tone lip, but oh my God, it wasn't even filming when I did the lip, so I'm so sorry about that. I do have glitter on the lashes. Now you could pop on a pair of falsies. That would look absolutely stunning with this look. I wanted to do something quick and easy and simple, especially for beginners, so I didn't do falsies. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. that is it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope it was easy enough for beginners to follow along and do it. I thought it was really fun to do. And like I said, I am one of those fall people. I love the holidays. I love the weather. I love the holidays coming up. I love everything about fall. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial and you cannot wait to see more because I've got so many more looks planned, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys.